saying goodbye to a wonderful stay at the Killington Airbnb. Perfect stay. Beautiful deck and porch area. Awesome kitchen, everything. Parents are already loaded up. Here we go. Got my postcard for my mom. Root beer. Oreos. Trekking poles. I think that's it. This way, go into where we came out. All right, starting the day with Mom and Dave. There we go. It could be. I didn't see if the trail continued there or not. It continues over there, so I'm guessing this is just to the trailhead. Oh, I'm gonna miss my mom so much. Love you guys. Back into the woods. Back into the woods. Oh, I wish I would have left something in the car so they would have had to come back and give me another hug. Gosh dang it. I got the best parents in the world. And you soak every minute together. That can't be it. You soak up every minute together and then all of a sudden it's over. And you wish you could start it all over again. You wish you would have spent more time with them or got off your phone more or just been able to talk nonstop. But that was great quality time and I'm so grateful for it. All right, chapter 4. The last 22%, the last 22 days. It's August 1st, finishing August 22nd. We got clean clothes. We got a reorganized pack that's a lighter base weight, and now we're completely resupplied with food. Got brand new, not brand new, but new shoes. They're the ones that I started the trail with for my first 2 weeks. Oh, it's weird to go on alone. It's so quiet. It's right by a main highway, so you can still hear the cars, but it gets more and more distanced. And I kept telling my mom, she kept saying, are you jonesing to get back? Do you just wish you were back on the trail? And I'm like, I mean, I love every second of it, and it's the one of the greatest things of my life. But no, I enjoy spending time hanging out at the Airbnb with you guys, relaxing, spending quality time together. It's like I don't need to go back on the trail yet. And I was like, even at all, like part of me, I could just stay with you guys and drive back to Boston and fly out of Boston back home and never even continue. But the other part of me wants to stay here in the woods forever. It's just a voluntary choice to be out here. But it makes me appreciate my relationships and family and quality time a lot more. It's so nice to fly out here for me to spend a couple days with me. Hui. Okay, I'm gonna be in my thoughts here for a while and write down in my journal my voice memos. I'm gonna talk to it for a while. But yeah, day 79, northeastern end of Vermont, passing through Killington. It's 9:23 a.m. just past mile 1700. It's gonna be a wonderful day. Pretty sweet. Walking here along Kent Pond. Super pretty. Loons out in the distance. It's been a beautiful morning crossing some streams and rivers. Now we're at the lake. Already went up and down some mountains through a state park. Oh, it's beautiful. So much contrast. On top of the mountain, that's Killington Resort right there. And you can see the road leading down to it, so we're like right there. That's where the Airbnb was, right there. Crazy. 8 miles in. Beautiful day. Hope you make it safely to Boston. All right. I've always wanted to javelin those poles. Oh, I stuck it. Check this out. I stuck my pole into the ground. Hey, that's a win. That made my day right there. Not this one, of course. Pretty cool. All right, let's check out this cabin. Wow. Pretty freaking cool. All in New Hampshire over there. The White Mountains. Alright, time for dinner. Well, folks, I got some bad news. Up here at the lookout cabin, freaking amazing on this tower. Steep ladder, wooden ladder. Gorgeous view to the north. Gorgeous view of the end of Vermont and all of New Hampshire to the east. It's 6 p.m. This would be a perfect place to watch the sunset and even better watch the sunrise, but Moxie's got to press on. This is an insane spot. I'll definitely come back here, marking it down to take friends and family back here one day. Later. Well, current update. It is 7 p.m. We've been 19.5 miles, over 9 hours. Just got a beautiful view up at the lookout cabin in Woodstock, Vermont, and had a big contemplation. Sat up there, enjoyed the view, and I'm like, this is gonna be a perfect sunrise and sunset. And I could have and really was actually close to staying there, but I'd only been 17.5 miles, and I gotta stick to like 22 a day to meet Brad on August 22nd. And this is good terrain to get ahead, so I know I can't please two goals of watching the sunset, sunrise, and finishing with my best friend on August 22nd to complete it in 100 days. But it'll work out. We'll get a cool spot. There's another viewpoint up at the 22-mile mark, so hopefully we'll get that. But my shoes, I've got the Salomon X4 Ultra, something like that. Pro X Ultra 4. Anyways, X4 Ultra Pro. Pro X4 Ultra. They, I used them my first 12 days, mixed in with my Chaco sandals. And they kept the rainwater in them, so I ended up using my sandals a lot. But I didn't think they were that big of a problem. Like, I thought they were good for those first 2 weeks. Then I just wanted to switch and try the Ultras and then the Salomon Speedcross 6s that I had. So they've just been sitting there. But when the Speedcross 6s went completely out, I got them shipped to me to get the wear out of them. And today's been the first day on them, and my feet are in bad pain, like my toes, balls of my feet. And I wonder if it's just because my feet have swollen to where they're a little bit tighter and uncomfortable. I don't know. It's been painful all day. Especially, it's just like, which maybe this explains more, when I'm going downhill, when they're pushing on the ends, but especially like when I'm stepping on roots and rocks. It's like the heel of the ball under my big toe, the ball under my pinky toe. Each end just kind of hurts. Actually a lot of pain. When I was trying to go downhill, my knees too are like stiff. I'm like, these 3 days off were supposed to rest me, which they did, but now it's hard to get back into a groove, man. Holy cow. Been going pretty slow all day. But lots of prayers. We'll get back into our groove. Take care of my body, drink a lot of water, eat a lot of food. But yeah, today's been one of the hardest days on trail. In addition to all of that is, I already explained this always happened and I've said it multiple times, but when you spend significant time with your family or friends and then they leave you, man, you get real emotional. It gets quiet so fast. Today I hadn't seen anybody all day, and then when I got up to that cabin I saw 3 hikers. But it's just been such a quiet day. And all I thought about all day is about my mom and missing her, about my family. And I'm like, man, I just wish I would have gone with them to Boston. Why do I gotta stay out here for another 3 weeks? I should just go spend time with them. But it's a good learning process and experience to know to spend time with your family above all. Quality time. So I know after I finish this, that's the number one thing on my priority list. But yeah, the emotions are so strong. The loneliness has been tough today. I'll hopefully again get back into my groove where you go through it a couple nights, you spend time with some hikers, and you're good to go. And thank goodness for cell phones, for social media to keep in touch with people, because I have not been completely isolated. I've been able to talk to people every day on my phone, so I'm grateful for that. I know it's the two-edged sword, but I'm very grateful for it at this moment. All right, doing a couple more miles, and hopefully right at 22 miles we'll have the cool viewpoint. That'd be lovely if it was east or west, but hey, we'll take anything and get a good night's rest. Later.